In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Rocket Money account step by step. Whether you're accessing your account for the first time or just need a refresher, follow along as I walk you through this straightforward process. To start, open your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or any other you like to use. Now type in the URL www.rocketmoney.com. It's important to ensure the website address begins with https/. That little S in HTTPS stands for secure, and it indicates that you're on a safe website, which is essential whenever you're dealing with sensitive information like personal and financial data. Once the Rocket Money homepage loads, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You should see a login button right there. Click on it, and this will take you to the sign-in page where you can access your account. This is the main doorway into all your Rocket Money features and data. On the sign-in page, you'll see a form consisting of two major fields, one for your email and another for your password. Go ahead and type your email address into the first box. Now, it's important to use the email address you registered with Rocket Money. Double check your typing to ensure there are no mistakes, because even a small typo like leaving out the @ symbol or putting .com incorrectly could stop you from logging in. Next, in the second box, you'll need to enter your password. Remember to be precise here as well. Passwords are case sensitive, meaning that a capital A and a lowercase a are considered different characters. If you happen to forget your password, don't worry. There's often an option to reset it. Just look for a link that says something like "Forgot Password" on the login page. Once you have entered your email and password correctly, go ahead and click the Login button. This should grant you access to your Rocket Money account almost instantly, provided all the details were entered correctly. And there you have it. You're inside your account and ready to manage your finances with Rocket Money. If you encounter any issues logging in, it might be due to entering incorrect credentials, or there might be a technical issue with the website. In such cases, double check your input and ensure your internet connection is stable. If problems persist, it may be worth reaching out to Rocket Money's customer support for further assistance. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Be sure to keep your login details secure, and see you in another tutorial.